In this video, we will tell you the 9 tips that will make you rich even on a low income. Almost 60% of Americans get a low salary, which is not at all enough for survival, and thus they give up their dream of getting rich. Well, if you follow the tips we have discussed in this video, then you will easily get rich. Watch this video till the end, or you may miss some crucial tips. Now let's start. 1. Save regularly. Be constant in your saving efforts for a strong savings level to flourish. Any amount you put away, whether it's a little amount every now and then or a large sum every year, won't boost your savings. Try automating your savings strategy if you're having trouble keeping track of your money. An abundance of similar web-based tools and applications are always available. Though your salary is limited, it is nevertheless important for you to set away a certain amount each month. For starters, put 10% of your paycheck into savings. An increase to this level is possible after you begin investing. Your future investing ambitions will need more funding, so you should put money aside. 2. Stick to your money-efficient budget plan. If your salary is minimal, you need a budget that will give you the most bang for your buck. Be misled. Sticking to a budget does not mean sacrificing your desires. Staying within your means refers to managing your spending habits. You need a budget if you want to reduce the gap between your savings targets and your actual savings. If you want to save money and put it to good use later on, you need to first figure out where your money goes and how to keep it out of wasteful spending. As a budgeting guideline, you should employ the 50-30-20 method. If you follow this budgeting guideline, you should put aside 50% of your income for necessities, 30% for desires, and 20% for savings and paying off debt. Maintaining a healthy equilibrium in your financial situation is essential. If you're looking for a budgeting app, several options are EveryDollar and a NAB. To know more amazing financial tips and tricks, just press the subscribe button and also the like button. 3. Make sure you have insurance and emergency funds ready. Having a financial safety net is very crucial for all adults. All of your major purchases, from transportation, healthcare, and living expenses to real estate, further education, and wedding costs, require a separate budget from your normal spending. Feeling well at the moment is no reason to put off getting insurance, particularly comprehensive health insurance. No one can tell you what the future holds, therefore it's important to have it on hand, at least for your loved ones. Insurance for third parties is mandatory in certain nations, so drivers don't bother with their own policies. Those who do often choose policies with inadequate coverage based on price alone. 4. Cut out wasteful spending. Without a doubt, frugal spending should not be tolerated by those with very low incomes. Stop gouging yourself and start seeking for other means of financial support. If it isn't feasible, see if you can reduce your spending and save enough to begin investing soon. Your normal costs should be budgeted separately from the outset. If you are selective with your spending, you may save a significant amount of money. Cut down on unhealthy restaurant meals in favor of home-cooked meals. Get off the couch and into a regular exercise routine. Forgo the car in favor of public transportation. Use that extra cash toward books and financial seminars instead of impulsive purchases, etc. 5. Place money into the dividend reinvestment plans, DRIPs. Little sums may be invested in dividend-paying equities using DRIPs. One might get them straight from the manufacturer and utilize modest amounts to construct a portfolio. As a shareholder, you have the option to automatically reinvest your cash dividends into new business shares via dividend reinvestment plans. Companies often determine a maximum number of shares that may be bought in a single transaction. Because stock prices tend to rise and fall, DRIPs employ a dollar cost averaging method to help investors smooth out their stock purchases. Investing in DRIPs allows you to buy additional shares without paying a brokerage or other fees. 6. Launch a supplemental income source. One way to increase one's income is to take on a second job, also known as a side hustle or side gig, in addition to one's official work. It's important to take side gigs for a variety of reasons, including financial need, when their main source of income isn't enough to cover basic living expenses, and financial success, or for trying to become rich. Having a side business may be a terrific way to supplement your income and attain financial stability. Additional uses include providing financial security in the event of unemployment or unforeseen costs. Consider exploring options such as blogging, freelancing, or selling handmade goods that align with your interests and abilities. Earning more money might help you save more quickly. An additional source of income for about 40% of Americans comes from part-time work. 7. Put money down along with putting aside. Some people find that investing helps them reach their financial objectives more quickly and efficiently. No matter what your financial goals are, a down payment on a home, the cost of a dream trip, or a comfortable retirement, investing may help you reach them more quickly. Potential long-term investments include real estate, equities, bonds, and mutual funds. Diversify your assets and start small. Investing carries with it the inherent danger of loss potential. Fluctuations are possible in the stock market and other investment vehicles. There's no assurance that money you put into investments will always increase in worth. Nevertheless, you may lessen your exposure to risk and improve your odds of reaching your financial objectives by investing for the long run and diversifying your portfolio. Finding the right way to invest your money depends on knowing what you need and what you want out of life. 8. Lower your monthly internet expenses. If you want to reduce this monthly cost, you might look for better internet offers, haggle with your provider, or investigate slower, cheaper options. If your internet plan includes data limits, you should limit your data consumption to prevent paying for overage costs. You can keep tabs on how much data you use by visiting or using the app provided by your internet service provider. New users may sometimes take advantage of introductory prices or reductions offered by several ISPs. Particularly when your contract is up for renewal, stay on the lookout for promotional offers and think about moving providers if a better possibility comes along. 9. Make your own lunches and cook at home. Eat less expensively by making more meals at home and bringing your own lunches to work. There is a significant price difference between cooking at home and eating out. Restaurant meals are priced more because they take into account the expenses of labor, overhead, and profit margins. Home cooking allows you to control the ingredients and portion proportions, which results in a much reduced cost per serving compared to eating out. While dining out might be expensive, making your own meals at home can save you money and even improve your health. That's all for today. Now you know all the things you need to do to become rich on a very low income. If you want to know more amazing financial tips and tricks to get rich, then do press the subscribe button below. We regularly upload amazing videos on personal finance. Share this video with all of your friends and family members for them to learn and improve financially. If you loved watching this video and learned something new from this video, then press the like button for sure. Drop a comment below if you are left with any queries or suggestions for us. Getting a low salary is a common problem for most Americans. Multi-billionaires like Sir Robert Kiyosaki, Jeff Bezos, Mark Zuckerberg, Charlie Munger, Warren Buffett never discuss the tricks to become rich on a low income. They don't tell people their secrets. They do many things which they never reveal. They invest their money into real estate, gold, silver, stocks, bonds, and many other assets, but they discuss these very less often. They have many habits and tasks which they never reveal to the public, because they know that if they reveal those, then everyone would get rich. If you can't do what the rich people do, you will never get rich. We have made a specific video on the secret things the rich people do. You may click on the video appearing on the left side to watch it. Thank you.